today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my Graco 9.5 airless sprayer. Just picked it up this morning. Let's see what we got here. So the first thing is I got this coupon here with it, and I will get an extra free gun with my sprayer. So I went to a demonstration at a Sherwin, and I bought this sprayer and I bought another sprayer. So I got another coupon for a few $100s worth of Graco products along with my two sprayers. And so I'm super excited about getting some additional free stuff. So the first thing we got here is our gun, made in the USA. It does appear to be pretty cool. Looking at it though, I pulled this out in the store while I was waiting for him to finish the paperwork. There's like a burr on this right in here. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it matters or not, but I'll try spraying and then I'll take the burr off and clean these edges up a little bit, spray again, see if it makes any difference. It might not, who knows. But just as a former machinist, when I see a burr on something, I just want to chamfer the edges. So there's the gun. Alright. Looks like we get 3 extra liner things. Instructions and a cord. Hose here is pretty serious looking hose. Continental. I actually use Continental tires on my bike, so it's a trusted brand for me. So it's got a quick disconnect here and a valve. That'll come in handy. And this is like more flexible than the regular stuff, so you can manipulate your gun a little better. Because it just plugs in like this. Yeah, then open up the valve and start spraying away. You got your airflow control up here, and then your fluid control down here. All right. No handy dandy carrying case, so I guess I'll have to hang on to the box. I don't want this just loose in the van. The box is pretty sturdy, I'll give you that. But here it is. Protective plastic coating. Oh, boom. There it is. Oh, look at that. It's a pretty heavy duty box it comes in. Alright, here it is. The Pro Finish HVLP 9.5. Let's see, does this go in here? Oh, look at that. That goes right in there. Like, that's kind of weird. Is that what that's for? I don't know. Maybe I should read the directions. Oh, wait. I don't think I need any directions. I think I just figured it out. Look at that. Spray in any direction. So there it is. That's what you get. A sprayer, a gun, and a hose. It's kind of a cool looking sprayer. Let's check it out a little bit closer here. Looks like you got 1 and 2 here. You got Smart Start, Energy Saver. Your turbo control. A little breaker there. Guess that's where your hose goes, right? That makes sense. I love the air filter on the side. It looks really cool. It's like a muscle car, but for spraying stuff. Nice carry handle on this side. But there's no carry handle on that side. That's kind of weird to have like a carry handle on one side and not the other. Oh, wait, it's not a handle. Oh, snap. It's actually like a drawer. Oh, look at that. It's not a handle at all. Now it all makes sense. It's a drawer. It's got some stuff in there. A couple of needles. Needle holders or whatever. Definitely got to do some directions reading here. I'm assuming there's an additional needle inside here, so you have 3. I'm going to order some more. Alright, so that's it. That's what you get.